For this episode, I will be talking about a very large Trimline handset. This is a functional handset, and this was a sales gimmick that was used by the telephone company in the phone center stores. According to the handwritten note that's on the circuit board inside, this is unit number 17. This unit does not belong to me. I was only here to take care of it for a few days and transport it to its owner. Also, I was offered to repair the touch tone part of it so that it would be a functional phone. The thing had serious problems. The touch tone pad that was in it was bad. Intermittent would be a good term. As well as there's a lot of broken wires, and this unit had been modified. We do not have any schematics for it, so we really don't know how some of the control circuits were intended to be used. This unit had a floor switch that you would stand on in order to activate the phone line. We do not have that, so that is in the bypass mode. It's using an amplified transmitter in a G handset, and then it has an amplifier, and there is an actual speaker up in the top part of this unit. Here's the control board that was made to convert a single contact button to operate a touch-tone pad. So when you press a button on the phone, you operate a relay, which then operates the contacts in the touch-tone pad in the same order as if you was pushing the button directly. The touch-tone pad is a standard 35 type touch-tone pad that you would find in a 2500, 2554, and so forth. This unit has a Western Electric 425 network, a touch-tone pad, and then it has a off-the-shelf some type of an amplifier to amplify the speaker, and then it has a power supply to operate the relays and the amplifier, and then there's a multi-pin Jones plug that connects the control board to the upper housing of the phone. This is the rear inside of the touch-tone Trimline. When this phone arrived here, it was not operational. I had to replace the touch-tone pad and chase down where the broken and modified wires went to. I have about 14 or 15 hours into repairing this device. I will make a brief call showing when you press a button what happens. I'm holding the camera and trying to dial at the same time, so if there's any shakiness, I apologize about that. I'm dialing a number here on my work